Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to fix your Roblox not launching on your. So if you're unable to use your Roblox account, then first of all, what you can do is you can try logging out of your account. So for that case, go ahead and tap on the more button, and when you do that, you need to scroll down a bit and go ahead and click on logout. As you do that, go ahead and press on logout, and then you would go ahead and exit out of your Roblox application and restart your device. That should be able to fix your issue all at once. However, if that's not the case, then you can also try clearing your cache as well as data. Go to app info page by long pressing on it, and next page you need to go to storage and cache and go to clear cache as well as storage. So if you wish to click on clear app data, if you're sure about deleting your app data, go ahead and click on OK, and this is going to log you out of your account, so you need to go ahead and log in once again. And while you're on this page, you could go to permission as well, and you could enable all of these permission. That should be able to fix it. If nothing seems to be working out, then you can also try checking your internet connection. Sometimes switching over to mobile data or to a Wi-Fi can be able to fix your issue. And lastly, you could also try updating your app. So for that case, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store. On the search box, type in Roblox, and here you could go ahead and select whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely up to date, then you can try uninstalling the app, and that should be able to fix it. These are some of the ways to fix Roblox not launching. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next